Hi everyone, Tim Brown. Welcome back to my Apple Podcast. I'm in the studio once again, but this time I want to focus on a review for an iOS application. The application is called V. It's a video editing application, and it's designed for the iPhone and the iPad. What I'm going to do for this TouchCast is walk you through all the features. So let's begin by importing media into our project. So you're going to begin by hitting the plus symbol in the bottom left and then selecting import and just importing photos or videos from your library. They'll then show up in a little timeline down below, and you can just keep playing the video back until you kind of get a sense of how this works. It's pretty straightforward though. You can then tap on a clip on the timeline and then select the plus symbol to add transitions. And as you can see, there are a wide range to choose from: wipes, novelty, or basic. You can also control the duration of these transitions as well, in case you want it to be a little smoother or faster. So V also comes with this great ability to add filters. So you can just tap on a clip to bring up the menu, and you can browse through the range of options that are available. There are really quite a number of filters here. And I just chose the black and white one. And here's the transition coming in, and then here's the black and white filter that I just added. And V also comes with the ability to trim clips. So once you get the menu, select trim and just drag the sliders back and forth. This function is very similar to what you would find in TouchCast. V also comes with the ability to share individual clips in your timeline. You can also duplicate clips as well as deleting them if you don't want them. You can also copy and paste them into your timeline as well. So with the adjustment tool, you can make adjustments such as transforming videos. So you can rotate them clockwise or counterclockwise, and you can also flip them horizontally or vertically. Adjustments can also be made to the audio as well. You can change the audio settings for the video clips themselves, or you can actually make adjustments to the soundtracks. So as I just mentioned, it comes with the ability to add soundtracks, and you can import soundtracks from your iTunes library or from Google Drive or Dropbox or any source like that. I'm just going to iTunes library and choosing a playlist that I set up myself, and voila, it's really that simple. And as I just showed you, you can adjust the volume level for the soundtrack separately from the actual audio in the video recording. So this is a nice option to have. And when you finish your project, of course, you can share your project to your camera roll, to social media sites, or through email. You can also use AirDrop to share your file to the iOS devices or to your Mac. Okay, so that completes my review of V. It's a great video editor for iOS. Check it out in the App Store. My name is Tim Brown. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of My Apple Podcast. You can check me out at myapplepodcast.com. You can also check me out on YouTube at youtube.com/myapplepodcast. See you next time.